What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. And I know this kind of looks like a casting couch. It's nothing like that. All right. So welcome back to the channel. GGFOREX here. As you guys already know, if you're already following my Instagram stories, you already know how my week has been. It hasn't been a good one, and there's one particular reason. Me. Okay. And I'm going to break it down to you, explain what I did wrong, where my mindset was, and my end results. Because even though I did really bad, I'm still up. Okay? And this is the amazing thing. Because you're going to have good weeks, you're going to have bad weeks, you're going to have phenomenal months, you're going to have terrible months. Okay? This is just how it goes, right? You just got to try and stay consistent and put systems and rules in place to stay more consistent. Okay? So, as you already know, if you guys are already like on the chart, smashing it, crushing it, studying, backtesting, doing all the good things, you know, as we're going to, when I launch the group, we'll be able to do this all together and it will be insane value. But I ignored my rules, okay? I saw there was a lower low. If I can get screenshots, at the moment Smart Charts is down for maintenance. For whatever reason, hopefully it might be the new social feature coming in. I don't really know. But that's why I'm on the sofa at the moment. So I'm going to send screenshots up of when it's back on. Or I might just use TradingView or something, just to give you the screenshot so I can explain to you and it gives you a visual picture of what I'm trying to say. So as you already know, the euro absolutely hooned it to the top. It just smashed everything out the way. It was like bang, like I knew it was bearish from the previous week, but then it made a lower low. I was like, oh okay, maybe this is a reversal. It made a lower high, made a lower low, and I was like, this could be a reversal. Where could the price be going to? So I looked to my left, I saw a banker's candle, bang, smashed it. First trade stopped me out. I was like, okay, this is weird. Where could it be going to next? So I looked above, there's another banker's candle, bang, smashed that one. I was like, right, okay, I should really stop trading the euro, especially for sell positions because it's clearly going up. Did I listen to my inside thoughts? No, I did not. I said, it can't be going up any higher than this because this is a high. It's made a lower low. Why would it be smashing that? Anywho, put one more short trade in on the euro pound. Bang! Smashed that one as well. Created a new high. And I was like, wow. Okay. I traded 3 times when really I should have traded once. Then learned from it. Watched it. Analysed it. Looked for a retracement. Looked for where momentum slowed down. Did I do that? No. I think problem with that would have been I was working and I was setting pending trades. So I couldn't analyze the charts every day. I mean, that's just a price you take when you have to work a 9 to 5 and try and trade at the same time. It just can't be. So you got to make your best judgment. What I should have done is learn from my first trade and not place the second 2. Okay, my hands are like, take my strong hand. So that is one of the main reasons why I failed this week. I didn't listen to my guts. I wasn't listening to the price. I wasn't listening to the market. I was like, well, it can't go any higher, can it? Well, it can. You can't control this. I've even said this to you guys. You can't control the markets. The banks do. They do what they want. You just have to see where they're in drawdown. And as you can see, the liquidity grab that the euro did was insane. It smashed everyone out. If you got the buy on the euro, fair play to you. You're laughing all the way to the bank. Well done. Go you. I'm jealous. But I didn't. I was shorting it and the banks just absolutely ruined me. But it's a good lesson, and it's a lesson that I've learned that I can pass on to you so you guys don't make the same mistake. Don't assume the price is just gonna stop. If it smashes through your first trade and you get stopped out, take that as a lesson, learn from it, reposition yourself, watch it, set price alerts, understand where it's going to go. If you can see it wicking out at a certain key area, then you can say, okay, while it's resisting this high, it's at a key area, then look for a reversal. Don't just set pending trades like me when it's on an absolute rampage and smashing through every stop loss and banker's candle like it's not even there. So that was a massive lesson. Don't do what I did, but I do have some good news. Even though I lost more trades this week than I won, because you guys would have seen this, and the previous video I did, I was up 30%, right? Which is insane. 30%, 4 days, is phenomenal results. I have lost more than I have won this week, but I am still up on my account for the month. Remember, I started at 3,000, then I went to 3,800 and something, possibly, and then that was roughly 30-ish%, and now I'm up 3,400, just under 3,500. So I'm still up 13% on my account when I started at the beginning of the month. So 13% in a month is still insane, right? Remember, people say that you can only go for like, well, you can be really happy with 3 or 4% gains. I'm still up 13%, and I've definitely lost more than I've won. So obviously the strategy works really well. It's just me. It's my stupidity, excitement, greed, emotions, all those things, all those factors destroyed me this week. So I've learned from it. I'm teaching you guys it, so you guys don't do the same as me, okay? Don't assume the markets. Watch the price if you can. If you're unsure, set alerts. If they go past certain targets, then analyze the charts. See how the candles react. If it's wicking out at a key area, then you can look for a short. Don't do what I did, okay? Because you will lose, because the euro had an absolute rampage on, okay? It's now ranging, but it just went bang. And if I can get a screenshot, I'll put it on the screen. You can see where all my stop losses and entries were, and it just smashed all 3 of them. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I've got an amazing video for you. Well, I'm going to film it later on today, okay? If the maintenance is done. The maintenance is done, it'll probably be going out tomorrow. So, I think I found something really cool that could get me the better entries with the bankers candles and understand if it's going to reject at this area. If it's not, this is it. Since this happened, I had to figure out a new way of, right, why at this key area should it retrace? I need something to know of, is this currency continuing on the bullish or bearish or wherever my bias is going? Is it continuing in that direction so I can know when to get in and get out? A lot more efficient. I think I found that way, and I'm super happy to share this with you guys. So it's going to be an exciting weekend. I hope you guys learned from my mistakes. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's a bit different from the others. I'm just sat on the sofa, but I do like this sort of video setup. Just me talking, sharing my experiences with you so you guys can learn from my mistakes, okay? Anyway, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, join the group down below, because we're going to be launching this weekend and it is going to be epic. We're all going to learn and grow together. Anyway guys, I'll see you in the next one. I love you all.